So today I'm going to unbox this ACEBEAM K1 EDC flashlight with 3 light sources. By the way, they have black or teal colors that you could choose from. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you could check them out. So this is K1 compact EDC flashlight with a 3 light source. White light 1000 lums, UV light 1000 meter wave, 365 nanometer, and then a green laser beam. It is a smooth and clean white light and bright, powered by a Cree XP-LR LED. It delivers white light with an improved beam quality for a clear, more controlled beam that brighten exactly what you need to see every day. So the bright light is 6500K color temperature, and then the green beam for precision pointing in case you've like a presentation or playing with the cat or anything like that. It's a great precision targeting. Also can with the UV light, you can detect details that are invisible. You can also check the hotel, see if it's clean or not, or dirty. And even on the bed or mattress, it comes with a rotating switch to select the light source. Coming in a USB-C rechargeable battery design. You can also replace with a AA battery. And the tail switch easy to use for everyone, on and off. Changing brightness level in a white light mode within 4 seconds after turning off. Turn on again to change the setting between low, medium, and high. In the UV light mode within 4 seconds after turning off. Turn on again to change setting between high and low. Compact design and lightweight. And it is also IP68 rated, waterproof and dustproof. It has a stainless steel clip, impact resistant, up to 1.5 meter, 2 meter submersible and waterproof. So yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Dorothy from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the item. Oh, I got the green color or the teal. Oh, got a green color. And the product is made in China. Here's a user manual and a warranty card. Product certification. So you need to remove the battery and plug in a USB Type-C to charge it. come with their own wrist strap, and it's adjustable. This is a USB Type A to Type C charging cable. It comes with 2 of the extra O-ring, rubber O-ring. Right here's the rotating switch. This is the white light, laser, UV, and switch is right here. This is the stainless steel clip. It says laser 3R. So I'm pretty sure there's a protector layer. That's why the light's not coming on. So yeah, I gotta remove this plastic protector. And yeah, you insert a USB Type-C right here to charge the battery. You want to make sure it is straight in. And when you pull it out, make sure it's straight pull out. So you turn it off, so super bright. And this is the lowest. So low, medium, and high. This is the highest. Low, medium, high, and let's go ahead and check on the laser. Oh no, the laser doesn't allow you to change high and low, the UV, sorry about that. So I'm going to turn it off. So this is low, high, low, high. Okay. And now you need to remove this plastic protector. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.